like a fuck fridge, like a Haragi Enterprise fridge. She loves all my nerdy stuff, but somehow it's not enough. Whole console stacked up high with pride, Warhammer armies on the side. Told about my D&D gear, she smiled but she's steering clear. She was dripping like a fuck fridge, like a Haragi Enterprise fridge. She loves all my nerdy stuff, but somehow it's not enough. I bragged about my graded coins, vintage comics, strength grade mines. She nodded, said that's really cool, but no, she is just talking bull. She was dripping like a fuck fridge, like a Haragi Enterprise fridge. She loves all my nerdy stuff, but somehow it's not enough. She was dripping like a fuck fridge, like a Haragi Enterprise fridge.